Hey YouTube, so I have a Powersmart snowblower, 24-inch snowblower, and the auger is not working. Could be a few different reasons for this. There are pins in the front that break away, but in my case it's not spinning, it's not moving at all, and it looks like it's the belt. So I'm actually going to change out the belt. Now the first thing you need to do is remove this cover. Screw there, screw on the other side, which I already unscrewed, and then this pops off. Now if we look at this belt, look at the condition of that. This belt is all messed up. So it looks like I'm not going to have a choice. A couple of different steps to take this off. The first thing I'm going to have to do, see what happens is, if you look at the blade, when you squeeze the blade, that pulley comes in. See that? So that's why it's loose now. This actually engages when the pulley goes in, but I need to unscrew all these bolts on both sides and kind of take this away so I can swap out the belt. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, I started taking off these screws on this side. I'm also going to need to, this is where the cable comes through for the pulley. I'm also going to need to loosen that to take that away, so I'm going to take out these screws as well. Okay, I took off all the screws and I moved this apart. I don't need to move it apart a lot, just enough that I can get to the pulley and replace this belt. Can you see? I'm not sure if you can see down in there, but I should be able to do it just by pulling it apart about that much. I'm going to do that now. All right, y'all, it looks like I got the new belt on. I was able to get it in there. I still need to screw everything back on. I just put this piece back together, but it went on pretty easy. I'm gonna have to put back the screws and then we're gonna have to try it. I think we're in pretty good shape though. I think this is gonna work fine. And I do believe this is my problem, but I'm gonna find out pretty quickly. All right, so I just got the bolts back in. So I have everything back on. Let me pull this. So this appears to be tightening now. I'm going to start it up and give it a shot. All right, YouTube, it looks like that did it. So I changed my belt, my auger is running again, and it looks like I'm ready for my next snowstorm. All right, so the only thing I need to do now is I need to put back on this cover, and I should be in good shape. Hopefully I won't need this anymore. We're getting towards the end of the season, so I'm hoping there's no more snow, but I'm all ready for whenever the next storm is. Be careful with anything you do or anything you work on. Obviously, you know, if you're going to do this safely. If you're not comfortable with it, then you should bring it in to see somebody. I always take the approach, if I got to pay to get it done anyway, what am I going to do, break it more? It's already broken. So I like to give things a try myself, and it usually works out. If it doesn't, well then, like I said, I had to bring it in anyway. So I think it's a better way to do things. If you'll see, most of the videos on my channel are pretty much similar. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.